Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Marty Erico, CrudeSquawk.com, talking market movers and players today for Monday, January 7th, 2013. We saw indeed a low volume and low volatility day, as we mentioned in our daily commentary video. Again, our players and movers today, we saw local buy-side activity all morning long in the crude. We saw our 20-minute opening range develop this morning and a break of that 20-minute opening range, as you can see on the chart right here on the left. We saw that 20-minute opening range shaded in the gray box. We saw a break of it to the upside, giving us obviously the trend of the day to the upside. So again, any type of break to the upside, we see an up day. Any break to the downside, we see a down day. So what we saw were local bids off the opening bell. We saw locals have been and continue to buy, and then we saw them kind of cover around lunchtime, and that's really kind of a little bit of a downtick we saw today. But really low light volume, low volatility, lack thereof movement, no economic data that was scheduled for release. So really kind of just trading off of technicals here. What we're going to have to watch for in the coming day tomorrow is a break of the 93.5 level, which we have here on this chart that I'm going to bring up for you. Right here, again, familiar chart. We're going to be looking for that break of the 93.5 on our continuous contract, gives us the accurate levels that we need, and that break of the 93.5 can bring us up to our final target here at the 95 even, 94.75 or 95 and a half, 94.5. So our fib retracement tells us that we're going to be going a little bit higher here, just waiting for that break of 93.5. So again, it kind of made sense today with those locals kind of buying and positioning themselves for the beginning of the week to the upside. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on that. Now, really quickly, just moving on to our natural gas. Again, as we mentioned in our market wrap video, we saw a little bit of a warmer than expected weather forecast came out in the natural gas. We broke our 20-minute opening range at a downside, causing us to have a downtrend, and most importantly, bouncing right off that pit session low from Friday. So that's how important these levels are that we yell out for you in the commentary videos and in the market wrap, because these pit session highs and lows are really they're more of a magnet than the overnight high-low in the Globex session, so we really want to always watch that, and obviously settlement numbers as well. So again, ladies and gentlemen, this has been Movers and Players for CrudeSquawk.com. Marty Erico, Energy Pits.